Well, 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 look what I got in the mail today.
These are Lasfit floor liners. Yeah, I know, thrilling. But stick with me now because these are not your sad excuse of floor mats that the factory gives you. Hey everybody, Smitty with Smitty Sells Cars, and today we're going to be reviewing something that normally would not get me too excited. Floor mats. But that's about to change apparently, because Lasfit swears this will be the best floor mat experience I've ever had. Now, before I destroy this box like it's Christmas morning, let's talk about this company for a little bit. What do they make? What do they do? Well, just know they are not just a floor mat, floor liner company. They specialize in vehicle-specific accessories. So they have tons of lighting upgrades and all sorts of accessories for trucks, cars, SUVs, you name it, they have you covered. So as a consumer, they do offer some pretty cool things. Number one, a lifetime warranty. The next thing they offer is 90-day exchanges and returns for any reason. And best of all, the shipping is always free. So to give somebody a lifetime warranty is pretty strong. That means they feel you're not going to call them in 6 months saying something like, hey, my mat melted and cracked or turned into a Pringles chip. So let's tear into this box and see what we're working with. Look at that, all wrapped up. Look at all the stuff that fit inside of that box. My word, they sent me a huge set of mats. I can't wait to get these installed. Come on. This right here is the wife's 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is what I said I would like mats for. Now, at the end of the day, her factory mats are not terrible by any stretch. And they actually do have some deep channel grooves. And I mean, they don't fit terribly by any stretch. But I bet the Lasfit mats will look and fit a whole lot better. So let's see if we can tell the difference right off the bat. Here is our factory Mitsubishi Outlander 2025 floor mat. Doesn't look terrible. Here is our Lasfit floor mat. Way deeper, way more coverage. Let's get this thing put in. So installation is an absolute breeze. Could I film the entire installation process? Absolutely. Am I going to? No, because if you can't install a floor mat, you probably shouldn't be driving. But don't worry, I will show you the reveal. All right, so let's take a look at what the new liner looks like installed. Look how it goes all the way up almost to the kick plate right there. Look at how behind the pedals you have total coverage, and it snaps right in to where the factory one snaps, so you don't have to do anything crazy. Wow, what a freaking difference. Now let's look at the passenger seat installed. Look at how high up that mat goes, and just look at how tight everything fits. Yeah, that's amazing. Good stuff. Now let's take a look at the back here. So you'll see right now, the vehicle did not come with any sort of protection for the third row or the back small cargo area in this vehicle. But don't panic, that's all about to change. So these right here are back panel pieces to your third row. So all you do is simply pull your tether through the hole and they go right on with Velcro. You don't have to do anything. They're just going to stick to the back of that seat. So anything you put in the back for storage while you're driving down the road will not absolutely destroy the back of your seats. So let's get those put on. So for this, once again, all you do is put your seat release through the hole, line it up on the seat, and press down. The end. There we go. So you can see now that it's installed. This flap here is still going to go up. But look at that coverage on the back of your seat. Wow. Good stuff. Trying to get you the best light I can here in my garage. I know it's tough to see, but look at how those just snap right on the back with Velcro. That is everything. Okay, so we do have one more piece to put in back here. Look at this. This is going to sit down where you actually put stuff, so you can put muddy stuff and everything back here. And then these pieces up here fold up to protect that little bit of carpet that's on the back here. So you'll have total protection. Let's get this in. Hey, they said full protection. They were not joking at all. Look at how it protects every part where you would see carpet. Unbelievable. Wow. So here are the floor mats for the second row passengers. Yeah, they've got a good lip on them, but no protection for the center over the hump. So look what they came up with. Twice as deep as the factory installed. You do have a great piece for the center there. I can't wait to get this put in. Wow, what a difference. Now this kit also came with a one-piece system for the third row. So, pretty straightforward. Lay it in there. Foot protection covered. Let me try and show you this second row. Wow. So once again, super deep. There it is installed. Looks absolutely amazing. And I got that seat up as far as it'll go just to kind of give you an idea of how far back they go. Very impressive. Now, let's talk about the website because this matters. You hop on their site, punch in your year, make, and model, and boom, it shows you exactly what fits your vehicle. No guessing, no should fit most cars, no tape measure required. I placed my order and within minutes I got an email saying order received, order confirmed, tracking info coming soon. And here's the wild part, I actually kept getting updates. So unlike some other companies out there, you know, that send tracking information like, yeah, it shipped somewhere, good luck. Not here. From order to my front door, it took 3 days. 3 days. I think I've waited longer for Uber Eats orders than that. So why would somebody need these over the factory floor mats that actually come with most cars today? It's simple. If you have kids, if you live somewhere where it snows, it's rainy, or like me, you're close to the beach and you're in and out with debris all the time, this will protect your investment. And when they actually do get dirty, pull them out. Spray them off with a hose, let them dry in the driveway, and slap them right back in. So I am genuinely really happy with these Lasfit floor liners. The fit is perfect, the quality is there, the ordering experience was smooth, shipping was fast, and the protection is on another level compared with factory mats. Huge thanks to Lasfit for sending these over to me absolutely free to check out. And also I want to make sure you know I will be giving a set away in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. So head over to lasfit.com and get yourself a set today. I have a link in the description. If you click on it, use my discount code LAV20, LAV20, and save yourself some serious money. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. Happy holidays. And I'll see you soon.